Welcome back again to my class. Please subscribe. We want to teach you on how to link your website link to your TikTok account. Firstly, you have to turn your TikTok account to a business page. So I've already done my own and I have made a video on how to turn my TikTok account to a business page. So check on my playlist, you see it. So what's the next thing? After opening your app, you click on edit profile. The first one is your name, username, link. Then the second one is add your website. So which website do I need to paste? I want to link my YouTube link to my TikTok account. So I have to open my YouTube account, then copy my account, either my profile link or my video link. So let me copy my profile link, my YouTube account link. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. We try to make video like 3 videos in a week to give you updates. Stop wasting your money to other people. Stop wasting your money to engineers. Only subscribe to our channel. Okay, then I copy this link. Add to my website. Save. Edited. So we are done. See the link here below. It's very simple. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel.